Wild birds in the bath. Look at the slides and splashes of him. The water's flying everywhere. Oh my goodness, Bordy. He's trying to eat the water and everything. Ah, Bord, you're soaked. You're all soaking, you'll not be able to fly now. Ah, your old wings will be all soaking. What are you doing? You coming out? When do I see you? Oh, look at him with a big cloak on, it looks like. Doesn't it? You see him from the back. Ah, Bord. Look, he sits up here, look. Instead of coming out, look at him. I think there's a big cloak he had on. Big Dracula cloak. You coming out? Are you coming to see me? Oh, he's coming to see his mommy. Coming to see your mommy. Come on. Hello, Bord. Where are my kisses? Where's my kisses? What are you doing sitting there with the big wings out? Huh? What are you doing?